Hi guys, it's Gigi here from gigi-fan.com and welcome to my channel. Now in this video, I'll be teaching you how to whitelist an email in Gmail. Now whitelisting an email basically means that you will be adding an email address or the sender into your approved senders list so that each email that you get from the sender will automatically stay in your inbox rather than go to your junk folder or your spam folder. Now if you want to learn how to do this, please continue watching the video and follow my tutorial.
So we're now here inside my computer and I'm going to show you how to whitelist an email in Gmail in 3 ways. Now the first way is actually if the email is in the spam folder. The second way is if the email is in your inbox. And the third way is how to set a filter in your settings if the email is yet to be sent. Now let's go to our Gmail and let's do the first one when the email is in your spam. Now you can see here there's an email here from me, and we're going to move that to the inbox. The easiest way is actually to just click the email and then click this one, not spam, and that would put your email back into your inbox. There you go. See, there it is now. Now the second way is it's already in your inbox and you want to make sure that it remains to stay in your inbox and not go to your spam. So what you have to do is just hover over the email like that, and you can see that add to contacts. So you're just going to click that add to contacts button, and that's it. That email or sender is now in your contacts, and every sender who is in your contacts list email automatically stays in your inbox and doesn't go to your spam or junk folder. Now the third way is if you don't have any email yet from the sender and you just want to filter to make sure that it lands in your inbox rather than go to your spam folder. Now you go to your settings here and then see all settings. And then go to your filters and blocked addresses, and you're just gonna click create new filter. And you're just gonna put the email address here. Now this also works not only for email address but also for a domain name. Let's say you want to make sure that you get certain emails from a website, then you just put on the website's address here. And then you just click create filter. And just click never send it to spam. And if you want to make sure that it is marked as important, then click always mark as important. So, and then you can choose to label it too if you want to, like Gigi's email or something. It's all up to you, but the most important thing is never send it to spam so it stays in your inbox. Now after doing that, just click create filter. And that's it, you created a filter that matches this. So all of the emails from me, gigi-fan.com, will remain in your inbox. And that's it for the tutorial actually. So it's very, very easy. So I'll see you on my next video. And if you like the video, please click the like button. And if you wanna watch more videos from me, please click the notification button. And if you like my channel, please click the subscribe button. Thank you. See you.